Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Go the extra mile. People are doing more than expected. Which means doing more effort than what is required. Not literally walking an extra mile, although your fitness app would probably celebrate. This is an expression, is about kindness, dedication, teamwork, and those moments when people say, you know what, I'll help you a little more. One, comrades who send directions and screenshot. Reason why some people want to make things easier for others. Two, the teacher who explains twice. Reason why great teachers care about understanding, not just finishing lessons. Three, customer service with superhero energy. Reason why you're helping people well creates trust and positive experiences. Four, the gamer who helps beginners. Reason why supportive communities grow stronger and friendlier. Five, the coworker who shares notes. Reason why teamwork becomes smoother when people help each other succeed. Six, the person who returns the shopping cart. Reason why small responsibility actions help everyone. Seven, the chef who adds extra sauce. Reason why tiny thoughtfulness gestures can make people feel appreciated. Eight, the family member who save you food. Reason why caring actions strengthen relationship. Nine, the student who helps classmates study. Reason why sharing knowledge helps entire group improve together. 10. The employee who cleans up before leaving. Reason why responsibility and pride in work matter. 11. The content creator who adds captions. Reason why accessibility makes communities more inclusive. 12. The neighbor who waters plants while you're away. Reason why helping neighbors build stronger communities. 13. The comrade who checks if you got home safety. Reason why thoughtfulness shows genuine care. 14. The worker who stays calm during chaos. Reasons why leadership often means helping others stay focused. 15. The person who encourages others. Reason why positive encouragement can boost confidence and motivation. It's not always a giant heroic action. Sometimes it is a small extra effort that makes someone's day easier, happier, or less stressful. And honestly, the words could help more people like that. Unless you're going the extra mile in online arguments, maybe rest a little, drink water, eat snacks, like, subscribe, and keep spreading positive energy wherever you go.